Hello crafty people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to ring that bell icon. So today I am going to teach you how to make this colorful pop-up card. You can present this card on any occasion like birthday, teacher's day, friendship day. So without wasting our time, let's jump into the video. We need a green paper sheet of 20 into 7 cm into 6 cm into 5 cm and into 4 cm. Firstly, I am going to take 20 into 7 cm green paper sheet and fold it into half. Then you can see it had two sides. First one is the left and the other one is the right side. Now we will start to fold this paper towards the center until we reach the point where folding is not possible, and do the same process with the right side also. Now we'll start folding like one valley and one mountain. You can also call it like a zigzag folding. I'm also showing you a different method of folding. Fold it into half and keep folding it until we reach the point where folding is not possible. When you will open it, you will get the same pattern and you have to folding it into a zigzag manner again. And we will repeat the same process with all those 4 paper sheets. Now take a pink paper sheet and cut out the heart shape from it. Now take the green paper sheet. You can see there are two lines. One is upside and one is downside. We are going to apply this glue on the downside and start pasting the hearts on it. Now you can see when we are going to close this paper sheet, hearts are also going to be closed with it. Now repeat the same process with the other green paper sheets. Apply glue on the downside, paste the heart shape on it. I'm taking a black color craft paper and start pasting the green shades on it. Just close the cardstock and let it to be dry. Decorate it from the outside, paste the heart shapes on it. Now when you're going to open it, you can see your card is ready and it looks so beautiful and colorful. The color combination is come out so good. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe us, and also share your views in the comment section below.